Hoy, may kilala ka bang mahilig magpalapad ng papel? Bagay sa kanya tong e-bike na to. Ito na ang NXT Tyrano, ang widest 4-wheel solar e-bike ng NXT. Ang NXT Tyrano ay isa sa mga bagong model ng NXT pagdating sa 4-wheel line nito. Mas malapad ito, our widest 4-seater solar unit compared sa ibang units ng NXT. Ang Tyrano ay may 84 cm wide. Kaya ang unit na to has enough space for families, small businesses, and ideal din pang pasada, daily commute, errands, and marami pang iba. May left side steering wheel na sobrang lambot, madaling ipihit, kaya mas madali na itong i-drive. Meron din itong lift spring suspension na ideal for heavy loads, with reverse camera pa. At mas malaki ang gulong compared sa other solar units natin dahil 350 by 10 na ito. Ito pa ang mga upgraded features ng NXT Tyrano. Battery na 60 volts and 25 amperes, motor na 1,500 watts, with range from 30 to 40 kilometers, speed from 45 kilometers per hour, with capacity of up to 250 and 300 kilos, charging time from 6 to 8 hours. Meron din itong solar roof panel na 160 watts, solar integrated roofing, monocrystalline roof panel with MPPT technology, with additional features also, low gear and high gear, large LCD display with Bluetooth, built-in voltmeter, rear disc brake, lift spring suspension, side mirror, stainless external screw, liftable armrest, electric wiper, 3 hand rings, transparent rain cover, electric fan, spare tire, high beam, and available in 5 different colors. NXT Tyrano comes with the following warranties: 1 year on motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today!